Magandang umaga po. Sandali lang ito. Ang may na-discover ako na bago. Bago ba ito maging mapanis pang istorya ito. Nais ko na po siwalat itong detalyadong bilyones na binigay ni Saldico. Nakalista, detalyado na binigay ni Saldico kay BBM. At ito'y naka-care of kay Jojo Cadiz na bagman ni BBM. Ito po yun. So, bago ang lahat yan, nais ko muna talakayin, bakit ito ng ICI? Ay binigyan ng pagkakataon na ano to? Ma, malibre si Tambaloslos. Wala siya lang kulong kaso laban kay Tambaloslos. O, tingnan muna natin si Tambaloslos. Yan si Tambaloslos. Sabi niya yan, ICI no conclusion of guilt versus Romualdez. Ombudsman investigation urge. So, ibig sabihin po, ay mukhang may mga drama na naman, no? Ayan, no? The referral to the Ombudsman by the Independent Commission for Infrastructure regarding later Representative Ferdinand Martin Romualdez was for further investigation and was issued without finding or conclusion of guilt or liability on the part of the former speaker. According to the two-page referral received by the Ombudsman on Friday, the ICI and the transmittal was made without prejudice to the Commission to accept or receive additional evidence, if any, concerning former Speaker Romualdez. This referral is issued without any finding or conclusion of guilt or liability on the part of former Speaker Romualdez. Read the copy of the document the ICI released on Monday. The ICI said the transmittal was solely to ensure that all acts, omissions, and surrounding circumstances properly falling within the Ombudsman's constitutional and statutory authority, particularly those involving high-ranking officials, are subjected to the processes under Article 11, Section 13 of the Constitution and the Republic Act number 6777. So the Commission underscores that referring the matter at this stage is intended to permit the Honorable Office of the Ombudsman to promptly and immediately undertake its own fact-finding inquiry, consistent with the established principle of coordination and to avoid duplication or fragmented investigation. So, sumadalit sabi, ay sinasabi ng ICI, wala daw silang ebidensya laban kay Romualdez. True ba kaya ito? Is this true? So, anyway, ito na po ngayon yung ipapakita ko sa inyo na detalyado na mga binigay na bilyones ni Saldico. May mga kompleto, may petsa pa kung kailan binigay. Ito po yun. Ito po yan. Ito po yan. Ito. Engengeng. Okay, ha? Palakyan natin. Yan. Umpisa natin sa pinakauna. Okay, ha? Okay. Yan. Ang unang perang binigay ni Saldico kay BBM ay noong September 1, 2022 nangyari. 450 million. Pangalawang binigay niya noong 17 September 2022, 550 million. So 1 billion ang total sa isang buwan na yan. Actually, dagdag pa niya, meron pang September din. 2022, 661 million. 327,500 pesos. Ano? Million ba ito? Million lang pala ito. Hindi ito billion. So, ang October 5, ay 500 million. October 15, 500 million. So sa total is 500 million, 1 billion sa October. Sa September, 1,600,000,000, 600,000. November ay 1 billion plus ilang 1 million. No, 18 November 22, 500 million. 20 November 22, 500 million. 25 November 22, 500 million. 29 November 22, 500 million. 3 December 22, 500 million. 10 December 22, 500 million. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, 3 billion plus 1, that is 4 billion. So, until December, 4 billion po. Sang inatunta. Tapos samantala si Sara Duterte nang hingi sa kanya ng pondo, 125 million ang binigay. Grabe to si Bungit ah. Oh, ito, noong January 23, ilan ang binigay? Noong January 13, January 8 pala is 2023 ay 700. January 9, 2023 ay 300. So 1 billion na. January 13, 500. January 18, 2023, another 500. So 2 billion na. January 20, 2023, another 500. Tapos January 25, another 500. That is already 4 billion. 1, 2, 3 to 4 billion na. 1, 2, 3, 3 billion. Tapos February 1, 1 billion. Tapos February 6, 500 million. February 8, 500 million. February 14, 500 million. February 500 million. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 200, 300 billion. 3 billion. So March 1, 500 million. March 6, 500 million. March 10, 500 million. So, grabe ito si Bungit ah. Tapos March 30, 20, another 500. March 27, 23. So 500. So 1 billion dito plus dito. 1, 2, 3. So 1.5 plus 2. So 2.5 billion. So April 2023, 432 million, 780. 02 April 23, 500 million. 19 April 23, 500 million ulit. So 1 billion. So ang nangyari, 1 billion 432 million 780,000 pesos. Tapos sa May 1, 728, so 1 billion 728 tapos 728. So ito 3 billion na mahigit sa May kumpleto. August 5, 1, yung August pala ay 500 million lang. Tapos September 1 billion. October 2023, 1.5 billion. November 2023 ay 650 million. So, ito pala yung nagreklamo na ng November 2022 at 24 pala yun. So, December 23, 2023 ay 501 billion plus 1.2, so 2.2 billion. January 2024, 1 billion, 2 billion. February 2024, 2 billion. March 2024, 2 billion uli. April 2024, 2 billion uli. May 2024 ay so May 2024, ayun, ito na, nagsigo na po, ladies and gentlemen. Ang binigay ni Saldico kay BBM ay natigil noong May 2024, 1 billion. Tapos nakapagbigay ulit noong April 2025. That was 1 billion, July 500 million, August 25, 2016 total 55,418,874,054. So dito mo makita na kapag bigay naman ulit noong December, dito na sila sinita noong November 24 at sinita sila ni Bongbong. Bakit hindi sila nabigay? Ito na, so nagsigo na pong ebidensya. Grabe, si Bongbong bungit. O yan ang walang bigay, September, October, November. 3 buwan. Dito sila sinita ni Bongbong Marcos. Sinita si Romualdez. Bakit hindi sila nagbigay? Tinanong sila, ilang Ferrari pambilhin nyo? Ilang bahay pabilhin nyo? Ilang pera pangkunin nyo? Ilang eroplano pabilhin nyo? Putang ina, gago. Nakakaasar talaga. Okay? So, yan po, ladies and gentlemen. So, matitiis na pa ba yan? Matitiis na pa ba yan? Grabe. Ay, nako. Matindi ha. Detalyado ang pagbigay ng pera. Itong detalye. Grabe. Sabi ni Krong Krong, basta didiis daw adik. Mga adik lang din ang maniniwala sa kawatan na presidente. Ang kapal ng mukha. Okay. So paano ito ngayon? Katotohanan ito, Andre Gueco, watching from China. Good morning po, sir. Doktor to, pwedeng umutang dyan. Naku. At an NRR 2025, Soothing and Meditation, 8652. Kaya dapat gawin ni Bangag sa 2026 budget ay itudo na niya ang pagnanakaw. Sa budget, ibulsa na niya agad. Pastor Rodi Rabi, good morning, Dr. Kausing. Si Grace Almasan, 2388, Sir Toto, wait po natin ang reaction ni Attorney Pinky Lacson. Ididebunk na naman niya si Saldico, tatawag na naman kunyari si Bernardo sa kanya, gagawa sila ng kwento. Punyeta to si Lacson na to Rodi Rabi, stay safe. Nenen Kausing, grabe ang nakawan, adik na kawatan pa. Raul Salazar, napakalaking pera, di ko kinita yan simula na naging contractor ako. Yan. Yan ladies and gentlemen. Paano ito ngayon? Hanggang dyan na muna ako, matutulog pa po ako.